How many years do you think we have before global warming becomes irreversible? What if I told you we only had 20? And that was in 2018, so I'm sure it's gone down by then. And it's going down every year until we do something about it. Global warming is destroying our Earth, and we only have one. But there are things we can do to prevent this. Global warming is the long-term warming of our planet's overall temperature. Though this issue is definitely not new news, it has increased over recent years due to the burning of fossil fuels. Global warming has also graced us with another huge issue, also known as climate change. Global warming is important because it is destroying our Earth, and like I said before, we only have one. Many people will say that global warming will not affect us, and it should not be on our top priorities. However, global warming will greatly affect us, and we will have to deal with the rising temperatures and extreme consequences. Melting glaciers and severe droughts will cause water shortages. It will also increase the risk of wildfires spreading throughout the country and everywhere. Rising sea levels will lead to coastal flooding on the eastern seaboard. Forests, farms, and cities will have to deal with troublesome new pests, heat waves, heavy downpours, and increased flooding. This isn't even all of the horrible effects that we will face due to global warming. There are many precautions and simple things we can do to aid in the prevention of global warming. One of the simplest and most efficient ways that we can make an important effect of global warming is speaking up and spreading the word. Another easy way to stop the spread of global warming and aid in preventing it would be to turn down your heat and air conditioning when you're not using it. And I know you're thinking you probably couldn't go without using it, but when you're out of the house or when you're sleeping, you could turn it down just a little bit. And in the end, this will help greatly in the stop or even slowing of climate change and global warming. You're going to thank yourself in the end for doing these small little things. Even planting trees would be a fun way to stop all of this global stuff from happening. Planting trees increases our carbon dioxide, which we need to breathe oxygen. So when you plant a tree, you're basically giving us more time and saving the world. And it's fun. There are many other ways you can help to prevent climate change and global warming, and I suggest maybe looking up some other ones after you finish this. That way you have a better, clearer idea and you get some more ideas. Don't let global warming be the cause of our dismay. Start applying what you learned today and spreading the word. And remember, we only have one Earth left. We only have one Earth in general, so treat it with kindness.